Hello hopefuls, I have a little small grocery haul that I picked up today. Jason went with me to ALDI because we just left the gym. I had to go get an x-ray done on my ankle and some blood work. So I'm a little tired now. I'm about to sit down and having lunch. So anyway, okay y'all, so let's get started with this. Of course I didn't pick up much. Yeah, we already have some stuff. I did go to Walmart the other day. I have some stuff back there in the back, and I'll show that too. And what I want to do is do like a, I don't know. If I do it, then I'll just show you guys. Okay, so this is new. This is some deli sliced black forest ham. It is 8 ounces. And I was wondering when Aldi was going to get this, because Walmart has, you know, the fresh slice and already made for you or whatever. I know Aldi gets a truck every day. I don't know where the warehouse is, but they get a truck every day. They also has the deli slice salami, and this got my attention first. And then I looked and I was like, oh, all of these are new. Then I got some bacon, some center cut bacon, and then I got the oven classic turkey breast. So they're $2.99, which are a little bit higher. And so when you get 3 of them, that's like $9. I was like, good grief. All right. Then I got some grilled chicken breast strips with rib meat. And I don't pick this up a lot, but Jason likes to grab it when he goes with me. But I picked it up to put some meat on a salad or something. That's what I just had for lunch. And then some pepperoni pizzas. I got 2 of the original. And then I got some bacon cheddar. I was just thinking about that Trader Joe's stuff, and I did pretty good other than the chips and this dip. But I don't know how many points this is, or even if there are any points on the WW to even put this in. So this is made with cream cheese and bacon. I know the one at Trader Joe's is with ranch. It's a ranch bacon. Cheddar or ranch bacon dip, and it's so good. Some sharp cheddar cheese. Then I got the Southwest Grill chicken breast with rib meat. And then I got some raspberries. And then let's see, I got some tomatoes. Let's see, I got some strawberries. I got some Caesar dressing. And back here, well, I showed the Aldi stuff first. Some cheese and croutons. Josiah's mini peanut butter sandwich crackers. Some spinach. Some raisins. Some mini cucumbers. Some pitted olives. I like to put it in my salad. I like to use this as a dip. I already have some celery and carrots that I got from Walmart the other day. And then some, yeah, the home style dressing and dip. Jason picked this up, the honey barbecue wavy potato chips, on the way out. They were $1.49. I was like, you can't grab 99-cent chips. So the wavy potato chips are 99 cents. He grabbed these apples. What kind are these? The Honey Crisp. You only get 4 apples in there. Some orange juice. And then he grabbed some bananas. He eats bananas fast, so that is not a problem because he got them, you know, with a little bit of brown. The garlic pizza supreme, we went in there, we were hungry, so yeah, it's actually a garlic bread pizza instead of just a regular pizza. So we were hungry, and that's why we ended up probably picking that up. And then probably have that, today's Friday, and some milk, and that's already in the refrigerator. So when I went to Walmart the other day, I got some Downy Unstoppables. I love to add this. Jason gets our detergent and fabric softener from a friend, which gets it, which is really, it's like in bulk. So it comes in these really big white tubs, and it doesn't smell the greatest, even though it's supposed to be, I think, Game. I don't think it's Tide, but anyway, that's why I get this. And this is like $10, $11. It's quite high because the small ones are like $6.99, but I love it. It makes the clothes smell really good. And then I got the Glade Spray Powder Fresh. I got this the other day, and it smells so good. You can smell it So I believe that Designed to Fight Tough Odors, I believe that Glade has improved their stuff really well, because I noticed the last couple of ones that I picked up, it really masks or takes the scent away or fights the scent. And that this powder first smells really good. My other one is my favorite, is the Amber and Oud. I got some Bounce dryer sheets, and then I got some Clorox 2 for Colors stain remover. And I think I was watching Miss Risa's haul, and she picked up some, and I was like, I need to start picking that up, because I noticed like some of our clothes that have like white with dark colors and stuff, they look a little dingy. So I got the tabs, and it was like $5 and something, because they won't be tempted, or Trail comes home and won't be tempted to use it. You know how they do. And when I get to it, I want it to be there. So I got some Lima Weight at Dollar Tree, guys. So 2 of those, and I got some Pine Sol, some Comet, Lavender Low Splash Bleach from Walmart. Oh, I forgot about the red onions. I didn't mention the red onions. I need to clean up my mess over here. I got some Zaxby's wings. I didn't like them too well. I got traditional ones for lunch. And then this is the stuff I made my salad with. Yeah, and Jason's cookies over there. So, yeah, I don't like wet. You guys probably heard me say that in a video. I don't like wet chicken with the skin soft. I like my skin crunchy. And I had to put it back in the air fryer. So I probably won't get those anymore. I probably, if I want some wings and I don't want to make them myself, I'll just go to Buffalo Wild Wings or something like that. We don't have a Wingstop close by. But yeah. So that is it that I can remember. I didn't haul the stuff that I got from Walmart. My apologies for that. And I'm trying to think if it's anything else. There's some other things, but I want to wait and tell you guys later about that, or just pop up with the video or whatever. But I do have a meal plan sheet down. I'll make sure I put it down in the description box below, so you can print that out. And yeah, or either hop over to my blog and subscribe to my resource library. I just updated something over there. I don't know, by the time you guys see this video, that video may be out. And it's a free printable to organize your medicine cabinet and inventory sheet. So guys, and some other things in there. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.